What's up, Facebook and YouTube? It's Derek with Ultimate Clean Pros Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning. Today we have a really nice cleaning today, so we're going to go in to see what we have going on. Focus point on this video, we're going to be focusing on this family room here. The client stated that they have a few pet issues. It doesn't look too bad, but this is the area we're going to be focusing on for this video for the most part. And we also have a staircase here. And we have a few spots up here, nothing heavy. So this is what we're going to be doing. So we'll be back. Today's cleaning, we're going to be using some cleaning agents to attack the pet issues that's inside the customer's carpets. So we're going to be using Soap Daddy's Prime Time Enzyme. This is used to go in and the enzymes attack the pet odors and kill them at the source. And we're going to use OSR. OSR is another cleaning agent that attacks smells, and it also boosts other cleaning agents. And it also has a brightener in it. And we're going to be running perfect rinse through the lines today. And we're also going to use P-Sword to attack the urine and kill it at the source as well. So we'll be back with the vacuuming. Finished vacuuming. We've used a black light to find the source of the urine, and we're about to use Soap Daddy's P-Sword to apply and kill the urine at the source. So we'll be back. Now, as you can see, there's some heavy areas right here, and there's not too many others anywhere else. So we're gonna put this Soap Daddy's P-Sword down on it to get rid of these spots and kill it at the source. Now, this is something that you want to spray kind of heavy so it can penetrate into the carpet fibers down into the pad. If there's a such thing as smell-o-vision, you guys would smell how great this stuff is. It smells like really good. Seems like the little dog had his favorite spots to go. So as I stated earlier, we tracked it down with the black light. We turned off all the lights and we used the black light to find the exact area. And this seems to be the little pathway that the little dog likes to take. So we're gonna finish applying this Soap Daddy's P-Sword and we'll be back. Now it's time to go in and apply the Primetime enzyme and the Soap Daddy's OSR. All right, so we already have the Soap Daddy's P-Sword working inside the carpet fibers and down to the pads. So now we're gonna follow up with the OSR and Primetime enzyme. And the enzymes do go down into the carpets as well and kills protein-based stains and odors. So we have all that working. And we're gonna finish spraying the staircase and the hallway upstairs. Now it's time to use the CRB machine, and what this is going to do is going to give a deep scrub to the carpet fibers while the P-Sword is still down inside the carpet, working its way to the pad to get ready for extraction. So we're about to use the CRB machine now. Now, it's extremely important to agitate your carpets. Unfortunately, most companies will come in and they'll do a top scrub on your carpets. I mean a top spray, and then they come right back in without working their cleaning agents down inside the fibers. So they're basically top scrubbing and extracting everything off. It's very important to agitate your carpets, even if it's with a CRB or if it's with a grooming brush. You still have to work those cleaning agents down inside those fibers to get the best cleaning results for the job. Alright, so now it's time to move on to the hot water extraction. So we're all wrapped up and ready to go. Our customer was extremely happy with the results. We appreciate everybody watching. If you're on Facebook, give us a like. If you're on YouTube, do us a favor and give us a subscribe. We see that we have viewers, but a lot of people aren't subscribing. So just hit those buttons. It's free, and it helps the algorithm and make us available for videos and for potential clients to see us. So we're going to wrap up here, and we're going to come back with the dirty water dump. Come to the end of another great video. We appreciate you taking time to watch all the way through. And again, please give us a like on Facebook and a follow. And also on YouTube, it would be great if you guys will subscribe to our channel for more great content. And we'll see you on the next one.